Hi there. So in this short video, I just want to talk about creating resumes, how to create a resume from scratch. If you came with a resume with whatever you had in the past, right, and you understand that it needs work, like how do you adapt it to a Canadian format? So open Microsoft Word, and really here, I just want to show you that there are certain templates that you can use. Over here, you go to, like you can see the different templates that it offers you, right? You click to more templates and just browse them, right? If you click here and in the search bar and type resume, right, it will show you different resume formats. Now, Canadian format is, it should be boring, it should be readable, and it should be very straightforward and understandable. So all these fancy styles with pictures, with graphics, with lines, it's not for you. You just scroll down and you will find very straightforward types of resumes. For example, resume chronological, like this one, right? This is gonna be a really good format for you. Everything is in a very straightforward way, right? Objective skills, just you fill it up with all your stuff, right? If you are a recent graduate, recent college graduate, same way, you will find this kind of template, resume for recent college graduate. You can see um, it's also in a very straightforward way. It's a very simple layout, but the focus is on education because education goes first. Because you don't have much experience. Like if you lack of experience, experience will be at the bottom, and you will make focus on skills and ability, right? And another format that I personally really love, it's the functional resume. Again, there are several of them, several functional resumes here. uh, okay, I can see it. So let me search it. You can type functional resume. Well, the functional resume is essentially the one. Yeah, this is the one. The first one. I have it pinned, right? It's the one that makes focus on your skills and abilities, right? Again, if you have quite a history of work experience, right? Just take the section of education, put it at the bottom, right? Professional summary should go first. Skills and abilities should go second. Whenever you list here a certain skill, let me show you the template so that we can talk about it. Now, it works best if you transition in a new industry or if you have a gap in your employment history, right? So instead of objective, you can create a professional summary section and explain like what you are. Education section, as I said, you can just copy it, you put it in the bottom. Skills and abilities, right? Whenever you put a skill, right, you put kind of, you give a supportive evidence, right? Why do you have this skill? And with experience, everything is very simple, job title, company, date, and you write a short bullet list of your skills and achievement base, like all your experience. Use power verbs in the past tense, optimized, improved, increased, managed, led, and use this thing to increase your experience, expand on your experience section. Resume classically should be 2 pages. If you have more experiences, it can be more. If you have less and you can make it more concise, put it on 1 page. It's always best, right? If you can't, 2 pages is okay, right? Now, another good thing that you need to keep in mind, right? That the resume should be optimized in terms of formatting and in terms of keywords. So in terms of formatting, as I said, nothing that can possibly confuse ATS, right? No lines, no graphics, no pictures, no graphs, right? No colors, standard fonts. Everything should be plain and simple, right? In terms of keywords now, this is a really good thing. So obviously you've heard of different tools like jobscan.io and techcrowd.com where you can create and visualize tech. We're going to be talking about this. But here you can just search, you can use the Control F, you can press Control F, and you can search words, right? So you can imagine like how the ATS would work. And ATS works in the sense that where is the keyword in the resume and how frequent it is in the resume, right? So this is what you can do, right? If you think that your resume should be optimized with a certain keyword, you like populate it more, right? And using this function of search, again, you press Control F and you type keywords there, you will be able to like kind of understand how optimized is your resume keywords wise. I hope that helps, and I'll see you in the next one.